You've watched the pros for years, especially an up-and-coming player. The long approach to 18, the impossible save out of the trees, that 20-foot birdie putt on the last hole of the tournament. One shot, one swing of the club, and changes their whole lives. Well, on February 26th, right here in Little Old Sebastian, you could have the chance to change your life with one swing of the golf club at the first ever $1 Million Hole-in-One Challenge. Come and qualify at Sebastian Municipal Golf Course on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. That's February 22nd, 23rd, or 24th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Knock the ball into a 10-foot circle at 130 yards. No problem. And get this, take as many tries as you need. All qualifiers receive a free golf club and take part in the semifinal on Saturday, February 25th at 1 p.m. At that round, the three closest to the pin get the chance of a lifetime. You heard me right. Not one, not two, but 3 area players will take their shot at winning $1 million. So, bring your 130-yard club to the driving range at the Sebastian Municipal Golf Course from 11 to 1 on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. That's the 22nd, 23rd, or 24th. And you could be making the shot that will change your life on Sunday, February 26th at the $1 Million Hole-in-One Challenge.